Our topic this time is, where's the R&D in the food industry?
Good morning, Linda.
Hi, Jamie.
So, tell me, where on earth is the R&D in food manufacturing?
There's always new food trends and new food and drink products being introduced to the market, meaning a lot of research and development is undertaken in the food industry in order to create those products. So it might be to improve a recipe or create an entirely new product, such as a new frozen food or a vegan cake. And often R&D is done to make a product more attractive, such as reducing the artificial ingredients or lower salt or lower sugar content or less fat. And also changes to the manufacturing process may involve R&D, such as to add automation or to calibrate new equipment.
So, what could a food manufacturer expect to recover in R&D tax relief or credits, Linda?
There are all sorts of size and shape of food manufacturing company. But for example, I have one client that develops new ice cream flavors, and the company is very profitable. So it usually reduces its corporation tax bill by at least 60,000 each year. And another of my clients, which is making food from byproducts from the food industry or farm produce that would otherwise go to waste. So it might be like undersized carrots or something like that. They make that into vegan products, delicious vegan products. And they've claimed a cash payment of around 36,000 over the past 2 years.
Thank you, Linda.
Okay, thank you, Jamie.
Contact Linda or Jamie to start your R&D claim today.